in this video we are going to look at how to resize in Canva. So if you're just coming to my channel, please like and subscribe. So now we're going to look at, so you click on elements and then you choose any image of your choice. Click on see all to choose whatever you want to use for your designs. So let's say we picked just anyone we wanted to use. So now this little dot here is used for resizing, to make it either smaller or bigger depending on what you would want to use it for. If you got the premium, you could be able to see for the free trials they gave for the this is a free trial, so I am not using the paid version of it. But if you don't have the paid version, you could be easily do this big or small depending on how you want it to be. So we can also do this for our text, add a text. So this is the text now, and just let this go now and add a text here, and you have and there you go, you have subscribe here. So we're still going to use the same dots at the end to still make sure the arrow is facing upward to be able to adjust it to your liking. Okay, now you have a perfectly resized image according to the size you want it to be. So yeah, it may have been a little bit easier if you had the premium. You could be able to shift it to the, but just know that this circle here at the edge of the images are for resizing to the size you want them to be. And yeah, you could as well get it to be smaller or bigger depending on what you want to use it for. So please, if you're just coming to my channel, please subscribe, hit this subscribe button and like for more videos.